This is the new Cherokee Wolf Pup 18Cb Patriot Edition travel trailer, only available at AC Nelsen. The 18Cb has an outdoor mini kitchen. With its 12-foot awning and outside TV mount, you could easily make this an enjoyable space to hang out with family and friends. Comfortable and cozy is how to describe this couple's coach, featuring a rear bath and front kitchen layout. The front kitchen offers a large pantry, a round sink for cleaning up, and 2-burner cooktop plus microwave oven. The fridge is just to the left of the entry door and opposite a large slide for added space that includes a bed and booth dinette. Wolf Pup Trailers by Cherokee. Fully self-contained, with ample tank capacities, and an abundance of storage. Give us a call. Ask us if we'll deliver it at no charge. Give it a try. You might just be surprised.